Panasonic GZ1000 OLED 4K Pro UHD HDR Smart TV. Picture quality display 4K Ultra HD OLED TV. Bright panel, ultra bright panel. Screen resolution 3840 by 2160. Panel drive OLED Super Motion Drive. Picture mode dynamic, normal, cinema, true cinema, THX 4K, custom, professional, photo, professional 1, professional 2, Dolby Vision and game Netflix calibrated mode. Signal processor HCX Pro Intelligence processor. Hexachroma drive Pro, 4K upscaling, Ultra HD Premium 1, Multi HDR 4.2, HDR 10 Plus, HDR 10, HLG, Dolby Vision and HLG 423. Sport format AVI, HEVC, MKV, WMV, MP4, M4V, FLV, 3GPP, VRO, VOB, TS, PS or MVB, MP3, AAC, WMA, Pro, FLAC, Apple, Lossless, WAV, JPEG, HLG, Photo. Voice personal assistant works with Google Assistant works with Alexa. Smart TV, my home screen is 4.0. Soundbar standard, music, speech, stadium and uses. Speakers output 50 watt, speakers plus woofer, passive, radiators. Cinema Surround Pro. Hi guys, if you have any question about this video, please comment in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Thanks.